Okay, so the tankless has a power button right here, and it's plugged in over there. So to
where's
turn
the
it
plug
on,
in? The square one or the small one?
the top one.
The top one. Okay.
To turn it on, just press on this guy. It will give you 120 degrees. You can adjust the temperature by going down when you're not using water or going back up to.
What do you mean not using water?
If you're using water, you can't adjust the temperature. See how the flame is on? That means that you still have water running.
Okay, so I'm saying it should be 120 the default
For now.
for now.
In the summertime, when it gets hotter, I would say drop it down to 110. 110 is enough to do the dishes.
Okay.
Okay? But right now, we need to shut the waters off because the water is still being used.
Okay. Ate Melly, can you tell Juliana to turn off the light, the water in the no, hold
Yeah,
on.
you have a half a gallon running.
Can you turn upstairs?
Yeah, you still have almost a half a gallon running upstairs, I guess.
What do you mean half gallon? Hold
Half a
on,
gallon
baby.
per minute.
Wait for me.
1 gallon, half gallon per minute.
0.4 gallons per minute. Somewhere.
Okay. Water.
Water. So you're using water somewhere.
They already turned it off.
They turned it off.
There you go.
Okay, so now I can actually go back up to 120. I'm gonna leave it there.
Okay, when it's winter.
That's for winter time. When it's summertime,
when
you just
it's
bring it down to 110.
Okay, got it.
And when it's sort of in between, you just go 115 or something.
Okay.
All right, to turn this unit off, you turn the power off. This is the gas shut off. So you turned it off, turn it back on. Put a water shut off right there for the water heater, but there's another one on this side.
Why it's two?
Between the two of them, you can isolate the water heater to be, these can be taken out without any problems, just by turning those two off.
Okay.
And disconnecting these guys right here, disconnecting the gas, unplugging it, taking this out, and it comes right off.
This one.
Yes, this unit can
Why
be
do we need
taken
to
out.
remove it?
Well, time comes and it needs to be replaced.
Oh, okay. How long will
Those are going to be handy. That's
So
going to be
you-
about 15 down the line, 15 years or so.
Okay.
Now let's go back to the Waterboy. Oh, this one requires service every other year, and these are the service ports right here.
So we will call you.
Or I can tell your husband how to do it.
Okay.
It's real easy. Now on this one, we have two handles on the back side. These two.
What is that?
That's called the bypass. When you quarter turn both of them this way, up here. When you quarter turn these two to form a straight line across, the system is off, but the water from the city is still coming into the house. It's only the system is off. When you turn them back this way, the system is on. So you have Waterboy water in the house.
Just for this one.
Just for this unit, yes.
Okay.
Now,
And this one is the water for drinking, right?
yes,
This one. Okay.
this one gives you water for the whole house for drinking.
Showering too.
And okay.
Everything, everywhere.
Not outside the house for the plants.
On the outside and the back it may, yes, because it's
Oh.
connected to the house.
Oh, is that okay?
That's okay. This one is good for the plants.
No, I'm saying this one is
Oh, it's okay. You're not going to be using thousands of gallons onto that, so it'll be all right. Let's set the time. What I'm going to have you do is press and hold the set button in for 5 seconds. Your cue to release will be when the minutes become solid and only the hour is blinking. Okay?
okay.
Go ahead.
So why do we need to set a time?
So that the unit knows when to clean. Now press for 5 seconds. There. All right. What time do you have?
This one
For
is
11?
5:11.
5:11?
I
Okay.
think 5:11, right? On my watch.
All right, I got it. 4:52. 4:52.
See,
All right. So let's go up arrow to 4. And this one is 4 p.m. Press the
Okay.
set button once.
This one?
No, set.
Oh, okay, I got it.
And let's go up arrow to 52. Up arrow? Yeah, to 52. And set. And you're done.
So what is the time again?
4:52 right now.
No, I mean
So-
what is the for?
Well, this unit is going to clean at 2 o'clock in the morning every 7 days.
Oh,
Unless you want me to change that time.
it cleaned by itself. So
Right, it's all automatic.
And then what time is it? That he'll clean?
Right now it's set for 2 in the morning. Starting tonight.
That one is fine. So, because
Okay.
when that one needs to clean, we can't use the water.
Correct.
Okay, 2 is fine.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and
Every
set it
day.
for tonight. No, every 7 days.
Every 7 days.
So tomorrow's Wednesday. Every Wednesday at 2 o'clock in the morning.
4:52 every.
Wednesday at 2 in the morning.
It's an idea.
Yeah. Every Wednesday at 2 in the morning.
If you want to see when it's going to regenerate, just push the down arrow, and it'll tell you how many days to regenerate.
Actually,
Right?
the night when it's gonna go, you're gonna see that.
Or that, yeah.
Oh, okay.
When it's showing that, it's gonna clean that night. All right.
And you
so-
don't do anything, right? When this one is cleaning by itself, you don't do anything.
No.
Oh, okay.
Now it's just gonna clean.
All right.
Well, it backflushes the water, right?
Now let's go outside.
Yeah.
Here I have. This is the
Oh,
condensation
you
line.
change it.
Yes, this is the condensation line. So when that water heater produces water, it's gonna drip right there, right off of that one, right onto the floor.
Okay.
It's gonna be just drips. When the Waterboy goes, this is gonna be it. And I gave you a hose adapter so you can actually hook up a garden hose if you want to put the
Oh.
water someplace else.
How can I open it?
You don't. You just
It's
put the
it's
hose
open.
and set it up wherever you want it. Like for example,
There's a hose and then I.
You just fasten it on there. There's
and
no
then the
there's no
water
spigot.
Will, and then the water will
When it
come
back
out?
flushes,
right,
it'll go through the
if
hose.
You hook up the hose and then the water, and put the hose wherever you want it to go, and then just leave it for the night, and then the next day you pick it up. So tonight, for example, if you wanted to collect that water, you put the hose on, you bring it out to your plants, and then tomorrow you take the hose out after the unit cleaned itself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how much water it will?
About a shower wash.
Oh, okay.
So it's,
Sense.
yeah. So I would say it's good water. These guys are gonna, with these water that I just gave them, they're gonna love it.
I know. Okay, so at night time I have to put the hose there.
On
so it
Tuesdays.
Can, on Tuesday night, so you can save the water.
So you can save the water. Now, if you were to buy rain barrels or something like that, you can still hook up and put it into a rain barrel, fill it up, and then use the water to water the plants.
Yeah, I think.
Because I see that you have plenty of pots, so.
Yeah, I think that's the one that I'm gonna do. Water.
But that way you can do that and save the water.
Okay.
Okay.